Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to get template on Instagram. So first open Instagram account. Look at this my Instagram account dashboard. Tap onto Reels icon and look at the right corner. Click on camera and select template, and here you can see more template. And I'm using this template, or if you want to save, tap on save. Add clip. So that's how you can easily get template on Instagram. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial reviewer channel for more video.